Hi, my name is Adam Flynn with our IT marketing team, and in today's training video, we are going to take a look at how to quote enterprise units by Irrigated Practice and coverage level by Irrigated Practice within our EASYquote program. To begin, I'm going to open up a quote I already have saved by just simply selecting that open button and keying in my policy number. Once we've found that, we can double click here and you'll see my quote has opened up for me. To begin, let's first take a look at quoting enterprise units by Irrigated Practice. So what I'm going to do is first double click this top line and focus your attention to the optional units that are currently selected. So you'll see here, if you look in the background, all 6 of our lines are currently optional units. To quote by enterprise by Irrigated Practice, this is a one-step process where all you need to do is simply select from that drop-down menu and click your EP option. Notice that below under the combo plan, our EU acres automatically pre-filled to 300. And the reason for that is if we go ahead and select save, you'll notice we have 3 non-irrigated lines, each with having 100 acres, and 3 irrigated lines, again each with 100 acres. So essentially by selecting EP, we now have 300 acres of non-irrigated as one enterprise unit, and if we double click on this irrigated line, select EP again, and again you'll see 300 acres of now Irrigated Practice as one enterprise unit. And that is how you quote with our EP. Now let's take a look at quoting coverage level by Irrigated Practice. I do want to point out that neither of these need to be quoted at the same time, and in order to show that, I'm actually going to switch back to our optional units for both my irrigated and non-irrigated. So we're back to step 1, where our units are again optional units. We have 3 lines of non-irrigated and 3 lines of irrigated. To quote coverage level by Irrigated Practice, we need to utilize a 2-step process. So I'm going to begin with the top line again, and this time I'm first going to navigate down to my options section under the quote line attributes box. And you'll see the second option there, the second checkbox, is our LP, coverage level by Irrigated Practice. So I'm going to check that and then simply select save. Once I select save, you'll see it immediately brings me back to my full farm view, where I want to point out that our current coverage level is 60% for all 6 lines. I'll leave my 60% for my non-irrigated, but I'm going to navigate down to this first irrigated line. Again, select LP, but let's say I want to quote my irrigated at 75%. Once I've selected my new coverage level, I will get a small pop-up box simply asking, are you sure you want to do this? In this case, yes, I want to apply changes to the selected coverage, or you could go ahead and select the second option, which is create a new coverage altogether. In this case, again, I'm going to select the first option and then hit continue. From there, I can select save, and you'll now notice under the coverage level column, we have 75% for our irrigated practice and 60% still for our non-irrigated practice. And that is how you quote utilizing our EP and LP options found within our EASYquote program. If you have any additional questions, please contact your local marketing rep or your underwriter. Thanks so much and have a great rest of the day.